Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I am a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today as always I decided to show you how I do money online, millions of dollars. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Open buy position will continue growing. That's why buy position is already engaged in this trade. We are waiting for the growth, and as you can see, growth is really nice. Everything is going really good. It's okay. The first trade is closed with profit, and we have $242 on the account, which looks really nice. See the GPI price is going inside the consolidation channel. We can break through the upper edge. Now we're declining towards the bottom line, in other words support line zone. We're trying to break through the middle line of the Donchian Channel. According to the MACD, we have the prevalence of the sellers on the market right now. This looks much better. This looks nice. Let's continue. Paying attention to the data from the MACD, which is telling us that we're in the strong buy zone. We're staying above the middle line zone of the Donchian Channel. We have been trying to break through it a lot of times. All of them were unsuccessful, and according to the master bound strategy, we have opened buy position expecting the potential growth. So this one was also profitable. We have $564. As you see, we have opened sell position, but for now it goes not good. Let's continue, my friends. Here we have broken through the bottom line of the Donchian Channel. We have broken through the support line zone, and highly likely we'll continue dropping. That's why I've opened sell position and wasting our $400 at this trade. By the way, guys, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get best stuff ever. Analytics, educational materials, strategies, whatever you want, signals which will bring you on the top of the trading professionalism. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, on which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and bear with me. Link in the description. Well, we are ready to make some more. Sell position. So it's closed, and we have $1,693 on the account, which is an amazing result for us to multiply our balance more than 16 times more just within 8-9 minutes. My friends, you want to have the same results? You want to have money in your pocket each and every day? Link in the description to this video will fix all your financial issues. Open it. Subscribe to my channel and be in my dream team. See you all, kiss you all, and bye bye.